Bienvenue chez Examens, votre partenaire de confiance pour réussir vos certifications. Nous proposons des supports d'études complets, en ligne et hors ligne. Et nous sommes là pour vous guider pas à chaque étape. Des guides PDF détaillés aux exercices pratiques bien structurés. Toutes les questions essentielles sont soigneusement couvertes pour vous donner toutes les chances de réussir. Vous aurez toujours les bonnes ressources à portée de main. Téléchargez les PDFs. Faites des tests et connectez-vous à notre équipe d'assistance experte. Avec la pratique interactive en ligne. Entraînez-vous et quand vous voulez. À votre rythme. Nos PDFs prêts pour l'examen sont soigneusement élaborés et régulièrement mis à jour. Des milliers d'apprenants certifiés font confiance à notre qualité et à notre sérieux. Des professionnels qualifiés sont disponibles pour répondre à vos questions. Commencez dès aujourd'hui et donnez à votre préparation l'avantage décisif avec Examens. Visitez Examens.com dès maintenant. Examens. Votre parcours vers le succès commence ici.
Question 1. Based on this image, which of the following statements are true? Choose 3. Option A. Attributes from two tables populate a table with the same name as a ServiceNow CMDB table. Option B. This operation is more than likely a part of a step on a pattern set to application pattern type. Option C. If a value is unmatched, it is still merged into the target table. Option D. For this operation to run, there must be some data in the process. Executable path variable. Option E. This is a horizontal pattern of type infrastructure. Quote. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Attributes from two tables populate a table with the same name as a ServiceNow CMDB table. Option B. This operation is more than likely a part of a step on a pattern set to application pattern type. Option D. For this operation to run, there must be some data in the process. Executable path variable. Question 2. Based on the following images. CI. Option A. The name of the CI stays, Windows 1 foot. Option B. The name of the CI changes to, Windows 2 feet. Option C. The name of the CI does not populate with either discovery. Option D. The CI is not discovered because discovery is not listed in either image. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. The name of the CI stays, Windows 1. Question 3. For the parse variable pattern operation, what is required to have two different parsing methods to populate variables? Option A. Two different debug mode sessions. Option B. A tabular and a scalar variable. Option C. Two different steps. Option D. Two different define parsing selections on the same step. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. Two different steps. Question 4. Which best describes discovery schedule of type configuration item? Option A. Verifies configuration item data from the scanned IP ranges against the data in the CMDB. Option B. Creates only a list of discovered IPs in both IPv4 and IPv6 formats. Option C. Collects complete information from the scanned IP ranges and sends it to the CMDB. Option D. Directly populates records in the assets table. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. Collects complete information from the scanned IP ranges and sends it to the CMDB. Question 5. When installing a MID server on a Windows platform, which right must be associated when creating a service account? Option A. Root. Option B. Domain admin. Option C. MID server user role. Option D. Log on as service. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, log on as service. Question 6. Which of the below choices are needed for quick discovery? Choose 2. Option A, mid-server. Option B, discovery schedule. Option C, PID. Option D, target IP. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, mid-server. Option D, target IP. Question 7. In order to use debug from the pattern designer, you must have what? Option A, a proxy server. Option B, a discoverable CI. Option C, the admin role. Option D, service mapping installed. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, a discoverable CI. Question 8. A discovery runs against a Windows server returning the following attribute values for the first time. Name equals Windows SN1, serial number equals 12321. A subsequent discovery runs against a different Windows server returning the following attribute values. Name equals Windows SN2, serial number equals 12321 with only base system CI identifiers configured. Which of the following is true? Option A. A Windows Server CI is created, then updated with Windows SN2 as the name. Option B. 2 Windows Server CIs are created, with Windows SN1 and Windows SN2 for names. Option C. 2 Windows Server CIs are created, without serial number values. Option D. A Windows Server CI is created, then updated with Windows SN1 as the name. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A. A Windows Server CI is created, then updated with Windows SN2 as the name. Question 9. Which choice represents the 3 best ways of extending discovery? Option A. Orchestration, classifiers, discovery patterns. Option B. Fingerprinting, classifiers, discovery patterns. Option C. Orchestration, classifiers, probes and sensors. Option D. Classifiers, probes and sensors, discovery patterns. Option E. Classifiers, fingerprinting, probes and sensors. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, classifiers, probes and sensors, discovery patterns. Question 10. SNMP credentials require which of the following? Option A. Write community strings. Option B. Usernames. Option C. Read community strings. Option D. Port 135 access. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C. Read community strings. Question 11. Which choice will populate the location field for a discovered CI? Option A. Location field for a discovery schedule. Option B. Location field for a parent CI type. Option C. Location field for a port probe. Option D. Location report from the discovery dashboard. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, location field for a discovery schedule. Question 12. What role is needed by the mid-service user account to interact with the ServiceNow instance? Option A. Mid-server. Option B. Discovery admin. Option C. SM mid. Option D. Mid-discovery. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, mid-server. Question 13. Which operation is used to change from the default credentials to any other appropriate credentials in a horizontal pattern? Option A. Change credentials. Option B. Change user. Option C. Alternate credentials. Option D. Alternate user. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B. Change user. Question 14. After navigating to an automated error messages list from Discovery, Home. How are the options on the right navigation pane categorized? Choose 2. Option A. Select all. Option B. Select 1. Option C. Action on selected. Option D. Action on all. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C. Action on selected. Option D. Action on all. Question 15. Which of the following can be used in the debug identification section in debug mode for an infrastructure? Pattern. Choose 2. Option A. IP. Option B. AWS endpoint. Option C. PID. Option D. Host name. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A. IP. Option D. Host name. Question 16. With multiple CI data sources, which choice is the best for determining which source can update a CI attribute? Option A. Business rules. Option B. Data certification. Option C. Transform maps. Option D. Reconciliation rules. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D. Reconciliation rules. Question 17. One method for deleting specific CIs not discovered in 30 days is option A. Scheduled job. Option B. UI policy. Option C. Service mapping. Option D. Data policy. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A. Scheduled job. Question 18. Which of the following choices must be installed on a MID server to run credential-less discovery? Option A. Credential-less extension. Option B. Nmap. Option C. Advanced IP scanner. Option D. Defender. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B. Nmap. Question 19. A network device has both an SSH port and an SNMP port open. Discovery tries the SSH probe first and it fails. This triggers the SNMP probe, which succeeds. Discovery uses SNMP first for subsequent discoveries on that device. What discovery functionality allows the above to happen? Option A. Classification. Option B. Credential affinity. Option C. Mid-server affinity. Option D. IP service affinity. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D. IP service affinity. Question 20. The CMDB contains which of the following record types? Choose 2. Option A. Model. Option B. Configuration item. CI. Option C. Asset. Option D. Relation type. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B. Configuration item, CI. Option D. Relation type. Question 21. When is the extension section in a horizontal pattern executed? Option A. As part of the post-sensor processing script. Option B. After the identification sections. Option C. As part of the port scan. Option D. Before the identification sections. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B. After the identification sections. Question 22. For CMDB health, relationships can be which of the following choices? Choose 3. Option A. Duplicate. Option B. Stale. Option C. Often. Option D. Required. Option E. Recommended. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Duplicate. Option B. Stale. Option C. Often. Question 23. Which of the choices provides active discovery errors with a help link for each error? Option A. Discovery dashboard. Option B. IP address failure report. Option C. Discovery schedule. Option D. Mid-server dashboard. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Discovery dashboard. Question 24. What related list on a classifier dictates which horizontal pattern probe is launched? Option A. Discovery log. Option B. Classification criteria. Option C. Pattern probes. Option D. Triggers probes. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D. Triggers probes. Question 25. Which of the following does the AQ provide? Choose 2. Option A. Login credentials for the mid-server host. Option B. The actual XML payload that is sent to or from an instance. Option C. A connected flow of probe and sensor activity. Option D. The process responsible for defining, analyzing, planning, measuring, and improving all aspects of the availability of IT services. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. The actual XML payload that is sent to or from an instance. Option C. A connected flow of probe and sensor activity. Question 26. Which of the following choices are only used for the application pattern type? Choose 2. Option A. Run order. Option B. Identification section. Option C. CI type. Option D. Operating system. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Run order. Option D. Operating system. Question 27. By default, which of the following are automatically available as variables for horizontal discovery patterns? Choose 2. Option A. Infrastructure system. Option B. The CI type on the discovery pattern form. Option C. Windows CMDB/CI. Option D. Computer system. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. The CI type on the discovery pattern form. Option D. Computer system. Question 28. Which choices are necessary to launch any pattern? Choose 2. Option A. CI classification. Option B. CI serial number attribute. Option C. Data certification. Option D. CI type. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. CI classification. Option D. CI type. Question 29. Which of the below choices are horizontal pattern types? Choose 2. Option A. Hardware. Option B. Software. Option C. Infrastructure. Option D. Application. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. Infrastructure. Option D. Application. Question 30. What does the mid-server need to collect vCenter events? Option A. vCenter Event Collector Extension. Option B. Mid-SNMP Trap Listener Extension. Option C. Firewall. Option D. vCenter Probes. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. vCenter Event Collector Extension. Question 31. A discovery schedule contains a 24 subnet IP range and a SHASM batch size of 5000. How many times will a Shazam probe be launched during discovery? Option A, 1. Option B, 2. Option C, 5,000. Option D, 254. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, 1. Question 32. Which method is used by Discovery to determine if a host IP is active or alive? Option A, port scan. Option B, traceroute. Option C, ping. Option D, classification. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, port scan. Question 33. Discovery finds and maps dependencies for the following types of storage devices. Choose 3. Option A, direct attached storage, DAS. Option B, network attached storage, NAS. Option C, storage area network, SAN. Option D, multiple area network, MAN. Option E, redundant array of independent disks, RAID. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, direct attached storage, DAS. Option B, network attached storage, NAS. Option C, storage area network, SAN. Question 34. Which choice allows the following functionality to occur? If this value is set to 1000 and a discovery must scan 10 OOIP addresses using a single MID server. It creates 10 Shazam probes with each probe scanning 1000 IP addresses. Option A, MID server clusters. Option B, MID server selection method. Option C, Shazam batch size. Option D, behaviors. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, Shazam batch size. Question 35. Which choice best describes how to use a behavior for discovery? Option A, the MID server selection method on a discovery schedule. Option B, the behavior drop-down menu on a discovery IP range. Option C, the behavior drop-down menu on a discovery status. Option D, the behavior checkbox on a CI. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, the MID server selection method on a discovery schedule. Question 36. Which of the following pattern operations query targets? Choose 2. Option A, WMI query. Option B, merge table. Option C, get process. Option D, pass variable. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, WMI query. Option C, get process. Question 37. File-based discovery is triggered during A. Option A, classify phase. Option B, scan phase. Option C, exploration phase. Option D, pattern phase. Option E, identification phase. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, exploration phase. Question 38. Given a custom column named uCustom column on table CMDBCI Linux server, which variable syntax should be used to populate the column in a horizontal discovery pattern using the set parameter value? Operation. Option A, $user var custom column. Option B, $CMDBCI Linux server. uCustom column. Insert. Option C, $uCustom column. 1. CMDBCI Linux server. Option D, $CMDBCI Linux server. Asterisk. uCustom column. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, $CMDBCI Linux server, asterisk, uCustom column. Question 39. What entry point type must a horizontal pattern have to execute from a process classifier? Option A. A subnet entry point type. Option B. HTTPS entry point type if the pattern is running on a web server application. Option C. TCP entry point type or all entry point type. Option D. It does not matter. It is triggered for all entry point types. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, TCP entry point type or all entry point type. Question 40. Which metrics comprise the completeness KPI for CMDB Health? Choose 2. Option A. Required. Option B. Recommended. Option C. Audit. Option D. Overall. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, required, option B, recommended.